Typhoon Ida hit the Philippines, Hong Kong, and South Korea in August 1958.
Torrential rains in the wake of Typhoon Ida nearly caused a major disaster in Hong Kong. Loosened by the storm, hundreds of tons of mud roared down from the hillside, burying houses and sending 6,000 people fleeing for their lives. Fortunately, there was warning that the hill was about to give way, and authorities were able to warn most residents in time. As the massive job of cleaning up the gluey mess begins, only 4 people are missing and presumed dead. With soup kitchens set up, Hong Kong officials hope to find temporary housing for the homeless quickly. No easy job in the overcrowded colony. Improvised tools are used to scrape away the goo. It's a lark for the kids who don't realize many families lost all they possessed. In the Philippines, Hong Kong, and Korea, Typhoon Ida took 30 lives during her devastating passage.